What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to discuss about the Mounja burn tops for the weight loss. So basically, what is Mounja burn tops? It is something that will help you boost your metabolism, and it will make your metabolism go fast. It will not help you reduce your weight, because it will just help your metabolism to speed up the process of all the digestion. So by the speeding up the process of the digestion, sometimes the body automatically loses the weight. So this is how it goes. So for some people it works, and for some people it doesn't. So it doesn't necessarily mean that these drops are gonna make your weight lose. So I'm just gonna share my honest and legitimate opinion about this Mounja burn drops for the weight loss. I have read a bunch of blogs and articles over the internet about this, and people are asking me about is it legitimate or is it just a scam. So for these drops, I have read the different sort of articles, blogs, and reviews over the internet, including the Reddit, as I'm showing you the screen. These persons, I have read a bunch of the reviews, and the people, almost all of the people, are saying that it is scam and it does not actually help you lose your weight. And all it can do for some people, not necessarily for everybody, but for some people, it can help you make your metabolism go fast. And this is all it can do. It cannot help you reduce your weight. So they have legitimately scammed you guys by misprinting or miscommunicating and miscommitting the thing that they're gonna lose your weight. So this is not gonna happen. Make sure that you don't invest money in these sort of products, because and don't use these sort of products on your health, because these can be very um, effective in a bad manner for your health as well. So be careful about it. So take care. Bye bye.